Some errors to avoid when using index match combination. The first is that the number of rows in the lookup range and the reference range should be the same. In example 4, the ranges are the same length, C4 to D10, D4 to D10. If any of these are less than the other, we will get an error. For example, if we change the range from C4 to C8 and drag this down, we got #num, which says function index parameter 2 value 6 is out of range because airFrance is in row 6, but the value reference range has only 5 rows. Let's undo this, Control Z. If we change the range to D4 to D8, press enter and drag this down, we get an error #NA. There's a comment here which says did not find value airFrance in match evaluation. Because if we click in here, airFrance is not part of that range. Let's undo this. Another error to avoid is not making your range an absolute reference. When you don't do this and autofill your formulas, the range moves as well. So to ensure you fix your table, you can make these absolute references and either lock the columns or lock the rows, depending on how you want to autofill your table. Thank you again for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.